Shri Krishna Mitro. So last time we can discuss about the IUPAC nomenclature of organic compounds, bicyclos, pyro, aromatic, functional group. Now we can start the new point, which is isomerism. Isomerism. First of all, if you can think about the meaning of this word, it is a Greek word which is contained of the two words isos and meros. Isos means same, meros means part. If any compound have a same parts, then it is known as isomers. If two or more than two compounds have the same parts, then it is known as isomers. First of all, we can define the isomer and isomerism. Very simple. Isomers or isomerism. Compounds having same molecular formula but different structural formula but have different structural formula, properties or spatial, it is also known as space, arrangement is known as isomers. And the phenomena is known as isomerism. The phenomena totally occurs is known as isomerism. If any compound have same molecular formula and different structural formula or properties, either chemical or physical, or space arrangement of atom. Then these are known as isomers of each other. If we can have a two molecule or two compound which can have same molecular formula, જે બે મોલેક્યુલ આપણે લીધા compound એના molecular formula same હોવો જોઈએ, either એનો structural formula different હોય or properties different હોય or atomની space arrangement different હોય, then these are the known as isomers of each other and the phenomena is known as isomerism. First of all, we can classify it types of, then we can think about types of isomerism or isomers, then we can define very easily or understand very easily isomerism or isomers. There are mainly two types of isomerism: structural isomerism or it is also known as constitutional isomerism. Structural isomerism or constitutional isomerism, and another one is stereoisomerism. So first of all, there are main two types of isomerism: structural and stereo. Structural is also known as constitutional isomerism. Now there are 6 types of structural isomers: chain isomerism or isomers, position isomerism, then functional group isomerism, then metamerism, isomers are known as metamers. Tautomerism, isomers are known as tautomers, and ring chain isomerism. There are 6 types of isomerism which we can study in the structural isomerism, which is chain isomerism or chain isomers. The phenomena which is the compounds which shows the chain isomerism is known as chain isomers. Position isomers, functional group isomers, metamers, tautomers and ring chain isomers. Or phenomena is chain isomerism, position isomerism, functional group isomerism, metamerism, tautomerism and ring chain isomerism. The priority order is like that. If any compound shows more than one structural isomerism, then which type of isomerism which we can consider? मतलब कि जो कोई बे कंपाउंड एक करता વધારે ટાઈપની સ્ટ્રક્ચરલ આઇસોમેરિઝમ શો કરે તેમાંથી આપણે કઈ કન્સિડર કરવી, બરાબર? તો એના માટે પ્રાયોરિટી ઓર્ડર है which we can remember like that RT FM CP. RT FM CP. R means ring chain isomerism, T means tautomerism, F means functional group isomerism, M means metamerism, C means chain isomerism and P means positional isomerism. If any compound shows more than one isomerism, structural isomerism, then the priority order is like that. If any compound shows chain isomerism and tautomerism, then we can consider tautomerism because the priority order is high. સૌથી વધારે કોનો? તો કે ring chain, then tautomerism, then functional group isomerism, metamerism, chain and positional isomerisms. Clear? So જો એક કોઈ compound એક કરતા વધારે isomerism શો કરે તેનો order યાદ રાખજો RT-FMCP. R means ring chain first, then tautomerism, functional, metamerism, chain and positional. Here also it is subdivided into the 2 parts, which is conformational isomerism and configurational. Conformational isomerism and configurational isomerism. Configurational is subdivided. આપણે આની ડેફિનેશન અત્યારે નહીં લઈએ બીકોઝ કે આપણે જેને સ્ટડી કરશું ત્યારે ડીપમાં એને સમજશું. Configurational also subdivided into 2 parts, optical isomerism and geometrical isomerism. Optical isomerism and geometrical isomerism. Here we can study enantiomers and diastereomers. Here we can study cis trans isomers, EZ isomers, sin anti isomers, trio, erythro isomers. Complete. So it is a picture of isomerism. There are 2 main types of isomers, structural and stereo. Structural subdivided into the 5 or 6 part: chain, position, functional group, metamerism, tautomerism and ring chain. And here stereo is divided into 2 parts: conformational and configurational. Configurational subdivided into the 2 parts: optical and geometrical. In optical we can study enantiomer and diastereomer generally, and geometrical we can study cis trans, EZ, sin anti, trio, erythro types of isomerism. Now we can start first structural isomerism. Now we can start first structural isomerism. What is structural isomerism? Another name you can also know is constitutional isomerism. Clear? The definition is that the structural isomers are the compound which have the structural isomers are the compounds which have same molecular formula, same molecular formula but different structural formula means different properties. यस एक शॉर्ट नोट रखो, याद रखो कि कया टाइपनी आइसोमेरिज्म के कयो आइसोमर्स होय ए याद केम राखવું तो कि जे वस्तु ज्यांथी डिफरंट पड़े एवा टाइपनी आइसोमेरिज्म एमां शो थाय. स्टीरियो आइसोमेरिज्म मीन्स दैट द मोलेक्यूल इज डिफरंट इन द स्टीरियो. If molecule is different in the structural part, then it is structural isomerism. जो स्ट्रक्चर थी ने डिफरंट હોય તો સ્ટ્રક્ચરલ જ્યાંથી આ ડિફરન્ટ થાય ત્યાંથી આઇસોમેરિઝમ શો કરે. સેમ હોય ત્યાંથી આઇસોમેરિઝમ શો ન કરે. જે વસ્તુ ડિફરન્ટ હોય, the thing which can be different between the two molecules, this type of isomerism is shown by the molecule. Structural arrangement different હોય તો structural isomer, stereo arrangement different હોય તો मतलब કે space arrangement different હોય તો stereo isomerism. Clear? So જેથી ડિફરન્ટ થાય એવી આઇસોમેરિઝમ ઈ શો કરે. ક્લિયર? તો ફર્સ્ટ થિંગ ઇઝ ધેટ કે આની આગળ શું ડિફરન્ટ હશે તો કે મોલેક્યુલર ફોર્મ્યુલા સેમ હશે, મોલેક્યુલર ફોર્મ્યુલા સેમ બટ સ્ટ્રક્ચરલ ફોર્મ્યુલા ડિફરન્ટ. मतलब કાર્બન સ્કેલેટન ઇઝ ડિફરન્ટ. मतलब bonding of carbon is different in the two or more than two compounds. Clear? કઈ વસ્તુ સેમ, મોલેક્યુલર ફોર્મ્યુલા સેમ, અને જેનું સ્ટ્રક્ચરલ અરેન્જમેન્ટ ડિફરન્ટ હોય તો ઓબ્વિયસલી એની ફિઝિકલ પ્રોપર્ટી તો ડિફરન્ટ થાય જ. કેમિકલ મે ઓર મે નોટ બી, બટ ફિઝિકલ પ્રોપર્ટી ઇઝ ડિફરન્ટ. ક્લિયર? So now we can think about the first type of structural isomers, which is chain isomerism. ક્લિયર? જ્યાંથી ડિફરન્ટ થાય એવા ટાઈપની આઇસોમેરિઝમ ઈ શો કરે. કોન્સ્ટિટ્યુશનની અંદર ફર્સ્ટ પાર્ટ which we can study chain isomerism. Another name of chain isomerism is nuclear or skeletal isomerism. Chain, nuclear or skeletal isomerism. What is the definition? The chain isomers have same molecular formula. The chain isomers have same molecular formula but differ in order in which the carbon atoms are bonded to each other. Clear? Means different carbon skeleton. Now we can study it. Suppose if we can have a molecular formula like that, CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3, it is C4H10, butane. And we can have also the molecule like that, C4H10, here 3, 3, 6, 3, 9 and 10, here also C4H10. Same molecular formula but structural formula is different. With the help of bonding, जो आनी chain different है, it can have a 4 carbon containing chain, it can have a 3 carbon containing chain, therefore it is known as chain isomers of each other. It is normal butane, it is isobutane. Normal butane and isobutane are the chain isomers of each other. It is normal butane, it is isobutane, which is chain isomers of each other. Clear? So ખબર પડી ગઈ કે કાર્બનની ચેઇનમાં ડિફરન્ટ હોય. જો કાર્બનની ચેઇન સેમ હોય, અહીંયા 4 કાર્બન, અહીંયા પણ 4 કાર્બન હોય, મોલેક્યુલર ફોર્મ્યુલા સેમ હોય તો આપણે આઇસોમર ન કહી શકત. મોલેક્યુલર ફોર્મ્યુલા સેમ હોય પણ ચેન ડિફરન્ટ હોય તો એને ચેન આઇસોમેરિઝમ કહેવાય. And the compound are known as chain isomers of each other. Now we can write down to some important points. First point is seen mainly in hydrocarbons. Important points for notes. Seen mainly in hydrocarbons. Clear? First point is seen mainly in the hydrocarbons. Second point is in aliphatic hydrocarbons in aliphatic hydrocarbons with minimum 4 or more carbon as if we can have an aliphatic hydrocarbon which can have 4 or more carbon, then it can shows the chain isomerism. One is exception, which is alkyne, triple bonded. Clear? 4 carbon thi triple bonded must start not high. Clear? So, and last point which you can study here is similar or different chemical properties. It can have similar or different chemical properties but different physical properties. Clear? Chemical property may or may not be same or different, but physical property is always different for chain isomers. Now first we can start the examples of chain isomer with the help of alkane. Suppose here we can have an alkane like that. What is the common formula of alkane? CnH2n plus 2. First is butane, which is shows the C4H10, which is shows the chain isomerism. CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3, CH3, CH, CH3 and CH3. These two are the chain isomers of each other. 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon, 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon, 5 and 5, 10, 9 and 1, 10 hydrogens. Both have same molecular formula but differ in the chain, differ in the main chain. Therefore, it is a chain isomerism. Now, suppose we can have a pentane. Butane have 2 chain isomers or structural isomers. Clear? It is structural isomer, not a stereo. We cannot consider here a stereo. Pentane C5H12, C5H12. There is 3 isomers: CH3, CH2, 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 CH3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 8, 10 and 12. જો આઇસોમર્સ ડ્રો કરતી વખતે ધ્યાન રાખવાનું કે જે મોલેક્યુલર ફોર્મ્યુલા આપ્યો એની પહેલા સ્ટ્રેટ લાઈન બનાવવાની, પછી એમાંથી એક બ્રાન્ચિંગ કરવાનું. We can have here one branching. 5 hydrogens, 5 carbon, 12 hydrogens. પછી હજી એક બ્રાન્ચિંગ ઇન્ક્રીઝ કરવાનું. જો હવે હું બ્રાન્ચિંગ અહીંયા કરું કે ન કરું કોઈ ફરક ન પડે, બીકોઝ બોથ આર સેમ મોલેક્યુલ. હવે જો આમ કરું CH3, CH2, CH, CH3, CH3, તો બોથ આર સેમ because the IUPAC name is same. If IUPAC name is same in structural isomers, then it is the not isomers of each other. Structural ની વાત કરું, સ્ટીરિયોમાં નહીં. Structural isomers ની અંદર જો IUPAC naming same થાય તો એકબીજાના આઇસોમર ન હોય. There is no possibility of the isomers. Both are same because 2-methyl butane, here also 2-methyl butane. And third possibility is like that. We can have all molecules in branching. હજી એક branching increase કર્યું. We can say that pentane have 3 structural isomers. Now we can discuss about hexane. C6H14. C6H14. How many we can draw here? First તો આપણે કઈ possibility કરવાની maximum? CH3, CH2, 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 CH3. Clear? First isomer is there. Now we can make one branching. Clear? All have C4H14. પછી અહીંયા બ્રાન્ચિંગ કરવાનો કોઈ મતલબ નથી. CH3, CH2, CH, CH3, CH2, CH3. These both are different. Now we can increase the branching. CH3, CH, CH3, CH, CH3, CH3. બે બ્રાન્ચિંગ કર્યા. હજી એક બે બ્રાન્ચિંગ માટે પોસિબિલિટી છે. It is like that. CH3, CCH3, CH3, CH2, CH3. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 isomers. 5 structural isomers are there. Not a stereo. We cannot consider or calculate here a stereo. કેવી રીતના આઇસોમર બનાવવાના ખબર પડી ગઈ ને? ફર્સ્ટ આપણે શું કરવાનું તો કે લોંગ ચેન જે પોસિબલ હોય એ ડ્રો કરવાનું. જો આમાં બોન્ડિંગ છે એના કરતાં આમાં બોન્ડિંગ ડિફરન્ટ છે. એના કરતાં આનું બોન્ડિંગ ડિફરન્ટ છે કે હિયર 2 મિથાઇલ, હિયર 3 મિથાઇલ. ક્લિયર? એના કરતાં આનું બોન્ડિંગ ડિફરન્ટ છે. ધીસ ઓલ આર ધ chain isomers of each other. Next, heptane. Heptane, octane, nonane, decane. Up to decane we can remember. It is enough. Number of structural isomer. You can consider here only and only structural, not stereo. Here 9, here 18, here 35 and here 75. 75. Clear? Write down it. Heptane 9, octane 18, 35, nonane, decane 75. So it is the first type of isomerism which we can complete here. Chain isomerism. Now we can discuss about the second type of isomerism, which is chain isomerism complete. જેમાં કાર્બનનું સ્કેલેટન ડિફરન્ટ હોય, કાર્બનનું બોન્ડિંગ ડિફરન્ટ હોય, એવા આઇસોમર્સને એકબીજાના ચેઇન આઇસોમર્સ કહેવાય. નેક્સ્ટ વી કેન ડિસ્કસ હિયર પોઝિશન આઇસોમેરિઝમ. ડેફિનેશન યાદ રાખશો, કંઈ નથી આમાં, બરાબર. 2 or more different compounds have 2 or more different compounds have same molecular formula but different, same molecular formula but different position of the functional group or multiple bonds. Which is multiple bonds is double bond or triple bond, or substitutions is known as position isomerism. Isomers and phenomena is known as position isomerism. Clear? Very simple. Molecular formula same way, but a molecule ની અંદર ફંક્શનલ ગ્રુપની પોઝિશન, ડબલ બોન્ડ કે ટ્રિપલ બોન્ડની પોઝિશન કે સબસ્ટિટ્યુટની પોઝિશન ડિફરન્ટ હોય, then it is known as positional isomers. ક્લિયર? જનરલી આપણે એક્ઝામ્પલની વાત કરીએ તો alkenes with 4 or more number of carbons, which contain 4 or more carbons. So is the positional isomerism. Suppose we can have CH2 double bond CH, CH2 CH3. If you can give the name, it is but1-in. Here if you can have this CH3, CH double bond CH, CH3, it is but2-in. Both are same. 4 carbon, 4 carbon. 3, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8. 6 and 8 hydrogens. Same molecular formula, C4H8. But different arrangements of, but different positions of double bond. then these two are known as the positional isomers of each other. But 1 in and but 2 in is the position isomers of each other. Suppose we can think about pentane. CH2 double bond CH, CH2, CH2, CH3, pent 1 in. Next CH3, CH double bond CH, CH2, CH3, C5, H5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It is pent 2 in. These two are the positional isomers of each other. Same thing in hexane. 3 isomers are possible. Hexane means C6H12, CH2 double bond CH, CH2, 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 CH3. First hex 1 in. Second hex 2 in. CH3, CH double bond CH, CH2, CH2, CH3. Hex 2 in. Third one is hex 3 in. Hex 3 in. CH3, CH2, CH double bond CH, CH2, CH3. These are the positional isomers of hexane. Clear? Very simple. Now we can discuss about some another substituents. These are the position isomers of each other. Now suppose we can think about this. These three are the positional isomers of each other because it is ortho dichlorobenzene, it is meta dichlorobenzene, it is para dichlorobenzene. It is only and only different from the position of substituent. Clear? So ortho meta para is the position isomers of each other, or 1,2 dichlorobenzene, 1,3 dichlorobenzene and 1,4 dichlorobenzene. It is IUPAC. These three are the positional isomers of each other. Same thing, orthoxylene, metaxylene and paraxylene. Are also position isomers of each other. Clear? Or suppose we can think in naphthalene. It is 1 chloronaphthalene because numbering starts from here, and 2 chloronaphthalene. Naphthalene are the position isomers of each other. Now we can think in functional groups. Suppose we can have propan, one ol, and propan 2 ol, not a hydroxy, because only one functional group is there. Position of functional group is different. Here 1 and here 2. Therefore, you can say that this is the positional isomers of each other. Clear? Suppose we can have CH3, CH2, 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 NO2, and like that. CH3, CH2, CH3 and NO2. 1 nitrobutane and 2 nitrobutane are the positional isomers of each other. Clear? Now we can think about the third type, which is ring chain isomerism. First, if one isomer has open chain structure, if one isomer have or has open chain structure and the other has cyclic structure, then isomers are known as ring chain isomers. Then isomers are known as ring chain isomers, and the phenomena is known as ring chain isomerism. ક્લિયર? જો ચેન ડિફરન્ટ હતી તો આપણે ચેન આઇસોમેરિઝમ કીધું હતું, પોઝિશન ડિફરન્ટ આવતી હતી ત્યારે આપણે એને પોઝિશન આઇસોમેરિઝમ કીધું હતું. મેં કીધું હતું ને જેથી ડિફરન્ટ પડે એવી આઇસોમેરિઝમ શો કરે. હવે રિંગ અને ચેન મતલબ કે એક રિંગ ફોર્મમાં હશે આઇસોમર અને એક ચેન ફોર્મમાં હશે તો આપણે રિંગ ચેન આઇસોમેરિઝમ્સ કહી શકીએ. આના એક્ઝામ્પલ શું હોઈ શકે? તો કે એક તો આલ્કીન એન્ડ સાયક્લોઆલ્કેન. આલ્કીન એન્ડ સાયક્લોઆલ્કેન. ફર્સ્ટ we can have C3H6, molecular formula C3H6. It is CH3 CH double bond CH2, open chain structure, and it is its cyclic structure because here a CH2, here also a CH2, here also a CH2, C2H6. So these two are the ring chain isomers of each other. Next one is cycloalkene and alkyne. Cycloalkene and alkynes. એક કયું શો કરે તો આલ્કીન અને સાયક્લોઆલ્કેન. નેક્સ્ટ સાયક્લોઆલ્કીન અને આલ્કાઇન. સપોઝ વી કેન હેવ ફોર્મ્યુલા લાઈક ધેટ. It is CH2 CH2 CH and CH, here double bond. How many carbons are there? 4. CH3 CH2 C triple bond CH. Calculate कर रही हो. 4 and 6 4 5 6. Here 5 and 6 hydrogens, 4 carbon. Clear? So it is a ring chain isomers of each other. And next one is alkenol and cyclic ether. Alkenol and cyclic ether. Suppose we can have a molecular formula CH2CH CH2OH, and it is like that. CH2, it is like that. These two are the ring chain isomers of each other. Means if both compound have same molecular formula but one have open chain structure and second have cyclic structure, then these two are known as the ring chain isomers of each other. So what is isomer? The compounds which have same molecular formula but different structural formula or space arrangement or properties is known as isomers. There are two types of isomerism, stereo and structural. Structural subdivided into 6 parts, stereo 2 parts. Clear? Here we can start with structural isomerism. The structural formula of compound is different, then it is structural isomers. If chain are different, then chain isomer. If position of double bond, triple bond, functional group or substituent is different, then position isomers. And if one is present in ring form and second one is present in cyclic form, then ring chain isomerisms are there. Clear? So in this we can complete the 3 structural isomers. In next lecture we can complete the structural isomerism, and from the next lecture we can start stereo isomerism. પ્રેક્ટિસ કરતા રહેજો મિત્રો. આ લખી લખીને પ્રેક્ટિસ કરજો. બહુ ઇઝી આસાન હે. આજના માટે આટલું. વધારે નેક્સ્ટ ટાઈમ.